Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we discuss about black beans benefits. Black beans, often referred to as the magical fruit, are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. These small legumes pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Here are some of the fantastic advantages of incorporating black beans into your diet. Rich in protein. Black beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them an ideal choice for vegetarians and vegans. Protein is essential for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Fiber-rich. These beans are loaded with dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps control blood sugar levels. It also keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which can aid in weight management. Heart healthy. Black beans are known for their heart protective properties. They can help lower cholesterol levels due to their soluble fiber content, reducing the risk of heart disease. Packed with antioxidants. Black beans are a great source of antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, which combat free radicals in the body and reduce oxidative stress. Regulates blood sugar. The fiber in black beans helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates. This makes them an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Good source of iron. Iron is crucial for transporting oxygen throughout the body, and black beans provide a non-heme source of iron, especially beneficial for vegetarians and vegans. Boosts immunity. The zinc content in black beans supports a healthy immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Black beans are a good source of various vitamins and minerals, including folate, magnesium, and potassium, all of which contribute to overall health and well-being. Promotes healthy bones. These beans contain essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which contribute to maintaining strong and healthy bones. Weight management. The combination of protein and fiber in black beans can aid in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Versatile and delicious. Black beans are incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide variety of dishes, from soups and salads to burritos and dips. Their mild flavor makes them a great addition to many recipes. Economical. Black beans are an affordable source of nutrition, making them accessible to a wide range of individuals. Incorporating black beans into your diet is a simple and effective way to boost your overall health. Whether you enjoy them as a standalone dish, in salads, soups, or as a side, these nutritious legumes offer numerous benefits that can contribute to a healthier and more vibrant life. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delectable food explorations.